Today we're going to look at how to cite Facebook and Facebook Messenger in the Harvard style. So how do you create your reference list or your works cited list? So for Facebook, you need to be aware of the citation order. And first of all, you need some kind of authorship. If it's available, if it's not, it's okay to simply use the title here. So you'll need a surname or a family name, a comma, and then the initial, followed by the full stop. Secondly, you'll need the year that the page was published or last updated, and that will go in round brackets. Next up, we have the title of the page, and note that that is in italics. And then in square brackets, we have Facebook. And following that, we have the day or the month of the posted message. And the final component to create a successful reference list for a Facebook entry is available at : and then you insert, so copy and paste the web address into your citation. And last but not least, in round brackets again, we have accessed : and then the date that you last accessed that information. So that's how to cite Facebook. Perhaps though you have the requirement to cite Facebook Messenger. So how do you go about doing that? And it's very similar again. So for Facebook Messenger in the Harvard style, we have the author, if available, and again, if not, please do just use the title. So a surname, comma, initial and full stop. A year that the page was published or last updated in round brackets, followed by the title of the page, and this time it's in single quotation marks. And then in square brackets, this time it's Facebook Messenger, followed by the day or the month of the posted message, and finally available at : URL, and then the accessed date in round brackets. So that's how you cite both Facebook and Facebook Messenger in the Harvard style. If you'd like a template of how to do that so you can copy and paste that information into your own work and edit it with your own examples, do check out the description below. And whilst you're there, don't forget to subscribe to start learning for free now, and to hit that like button and drop me any comments.